Septinove, 7 of 9. Doing an unboxing video of Trixie Cain by Nasser Rabadi, Shawn Langley, and Joey Turnage. But I'm feeling a little lucky because I got them all. Let's see, 23, 28, 26, 22, 23, 20. Ooh, 28, I won something. Free ticket, yay. What do we got here? 22, 13. 29. No. 22, 13. Nothing. Anyway, got a free ticket. Okay. Okay. Scratch ticket. Chauffeur Nasser. Okay. Nasser's got some books on Amazon. The Eclipse Theater. Eternity. Read it. Liked it. And Duality. Read it. Liked it. So go to Amazon. Get his books. They're really good. All right. Unboxing. I got all the covers of Trixie Cain Blood Reaper by Nasser Rabadi, Shawn Langley, and Joey Turnage. I got the Dinah Israel. Is it Dinah or Dina? Dinah Israel, Eric Weathers, Shawn Langley, and the John Malin covers. And I got the second printing of Trixie Cain with the cover by Ben Jones. That looks so good. Dang, Ben, that looks really good. No trading card. Okay. And then this one, that's the Shawn Langley cover. That looks great. And the Dinah Israel cover. God, Trixie looks really good in this one. I like this one. And the Eric Weathers cover. Looks really good. And the John Malin cover. Oh, they all look really good. I got trading cards with all of them too. I wonder if they're the same. Let's open this up and have a look. And trading cards. Okay. Let's see. That's the Ethan Van Sciver trading card and the Render Contender trading card. Those look good. Secret Comics logo there on the back. And I'm guessing they're all the same. There's more in there. Show a couple of pages here. Let's see. That looks good. That looks good. Paper feels great. All right. And I also got original artwork from Shawn Langley. Let's see. I'm always excited to get artwork from Shawn. Nothing in there. Painter's tape, yo. Don't injure yourself. Okay. Open it this way. There we go. More tape. Oh, he sent me a comic book too. Two hours later. That's Shawn Langley's cover right there. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. I'm going to turn this over here in just a bit, see what it is. How many trading cards did I get? That's Render Contender, Ethan Van Sciver. Ooh, Donald DeLay. Look at that. That looks great. And damn it, I can't remember who did that one. Somebody tell me. Those trading cards look good. And where's the signature page? I know this is boring. Signature page. Nasser and Shawn. That looks good. Thanks, fellas. It looks really good. Oh, there's another trading card in there. Where is it? Shawn's business card. All right, let me see what original page I've got. Yep, Shawn's business card. Right there. Okay. This is the page that I got. The original page. Hello. Hey, Cecil. And it's Ben, too. And Shawn's signature. This looks really good, fellas. Really good. Put it that way so you can see. Sorry for the jump cut. So here it is, all laid out. There's Shawn Langley's cover. Dinah Israel, Eric Weathers, John Malin, and Shawn Langley's, and Ben Jones. Awesome cover of the second printing of Stardust. And the trading cards. Renter Contender, E.J. Morgus. I know I said that wrong, I'm sorry. Peter Gilmore and Ethan Van Sciver doing the trading cards. And the awesome original page of artwork by Shawn Langley. Damn it. Starring Cecil and Ben. Nasser, I know that you've been working really hard to get this out. You got it out before Thanksgiving. Buddy, I really honestly hope you keep making comic books. Comicsgate is better with you than without you. But that's your decision, buddy. You're grown. Make up your own mind. But just thanks for this. Thanks for everything. Yeah, peace.